Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to post on Pinterest on laptop. So go for your Pinterest account, then go for create here and go for create pin. Now you have to choose your board. You can choose your ready board or otherwise just create a new board from here. So I'll just choose this one. Okay. Now you have to add your title here. So I will just, oh, okay. Now you can describe anything you want. If, oh, okay. Then you can uh, add any link here. At last, you have to just um, add here a link, sorry, a picture. Okay, I'm done. Then just go for save. Okay, wait for a second. Yeah, it's done now. So, guys, this is how you can post on Pinterest on laptop. So, hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.